Oh my God.
Chef Josh Smith.
Flavortown, this is so cool.
And Chef Saba Duffy.
I cannot believe I'm in Flavortown right now.
Let me introduce you to the returning two-time champ, Chef Maria Mazon.
2 times.
For today's competition, things are about to get loud. Because I have declared this Crunch Day in Flavortown.
Amazing.
Today, the judges will be eating with their ears first, so your dishes must pack that crunch. We have our sausage and hot dog cart, whose small kitchens are filled with the most bodacious brats, awesome andouille, and the most tempting toppings.
Okay.
Hushpuppy Holler is a down-home southern dining spot where the chefs take pride in their fried comfort cooking. Even the quickest dishes taste slow-cooked. Knuckle sandwiches, where the pantry is piled high with the delicious meats, cheeses, crunchy bread, and spreads to make Sammys that just hit right. Chez Penny, named after my mom, Penny, is our fine dining French restaurant where the accent is on fresh seasonal ingredients. We're gonna let your taste buds pick the first location with a quick taste bud test. Chefs, whoever correctly identifies the flavors of 5 potato chips first will be the one that gets to pick the first restaurant you all cook in. Chef Maria, you were first. Number 1?
Salt and vinegar.
Got it. Chef? Salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
Great. All right, number 2, barbecue. That is correct. Number 3 is honey Dijon.
Oh, no.
We have sweet, we have regular, and we have sour. Nobody gets it, but we're still tied. Number 4 is dill pickle. We got dill,
Dill.
we got dill, we got dill. That's a big dill.
Oh my God.
And number 5 is salt and pepper. We have plain, we have salt and pepper, and we have pickle. So, Saba wins. Congratulations.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Oh. I think I'm gonna go with Southern Comfort.
Chefs, welcome to the Hushpuppy Holler. Now, on today's menu, we will have a dish that will be consisting of meat and a side.
All right.
So we know this from the old Southern staple of meat and 2 or meat and 3. This, we're just giving you meat and 1.
There you go.
I work in a steakhouse, so meat plus ones, what I do the best.
Featuring the oh-so-lovely plant, okra.
How we looking, Chef?
Oh, pretty good. I'm gonna do some cornmeal crusted shrimp.
The shrimp is going to soak in some buttermilk along with smoked paprika aioli, and everything needs crunch. Cornmeal is gonna ensure that crunch factor.
What are you thinking?
I'm doing blackened pork chops, okra with buttermilk fried onions, and then some grilled green beans as our side dish.
Got it. Champ, talk to me.
I am making a hot wing with a super hot glaze with fried okra, baby. This chicken wing is inspired by Nashville hot chicken.
All right.
Very soulful, but of course, I'm Mexicana, and I did a serrano habanero cayenne honey sauce. The okra is fried, and the ranch buttermilk, a little bit of Kewpie mayo, salt, pepper, garlic.
Okay.
Crunch.
Meat aside, she nailed it.
Wow.
Oh, the habanero comes through hot on that.
These okras, these are delicious.
That okra, crispy on the outside.
Slimy?
A tiny bit, but it's not slimy to the point where you didn't wrestle with it enough.
It doesn't scare me. The sauce, it's like literally all gas, no brakes. It's delicious. I could bathe in it. But as much as I was hoping to bite into this and get crunch, you lost crunch through that heavy sauce.
But the flavor's delicious.
I am Pakistani ethnically, and we cook with a lot of heavy spices, and it does resonate with Southern cooking.
Okay.
This dish that you see here, fried shrimp with a nice cornmeal crust. I put some warming spices in there, and I did grow up with okra. It's something my grandmother used to cook all the time. The smoked paprika aioli, and then a little fennel apple slaw.
Wow. Dude, Mediterranean Southern, this is exactly what I would have pictured.
I think that you cooked your shrimp perfectly. That has that crunch that you expect from cornmeal, right?
Yeah.
I'm blown away at the fact that you were able to add your Mediterranean feel to this dish. Your salad of fennel and herbs, it really brought freshness and it really balanced out the dish.
That slaw is perfect.
Thank you.
I think that I'm gonna have a home run on my hands. So we did a blackened pork chop. On top of that, we've got some buttermilk onion straws.
Okay.
I incorporated the okra in that as well. Added a ton of Cajun spices to that. The grilled green beans have got some andouille sausage. Enjoy.
What did you do to those green beans?
Just a little bit of spice, olive oil, grill.
What was the spice?
Just a little bit of the Cajun spice.
That's delicious.
Nice,
man.
good. Okay, cool.
That is so good.
Cool.
Green beans are awesome, man.
You know, you're definitely getting some crunch all over the plate. Putting a bird's nest of those, onion straws,
Yeah.
fantastic.
Thank you.
I mean,
Thank
it's
you.
almost a riff on a steak frite.
Thank you.
I love how you added the okra to it and made it kind of blend in with the onion. It's really, really great.
Thank you,
But
dude.
to me, the crunch in the green bean is what
Oh, wow.
makes
There
it.
you go.
I
Cool.
love those green beans more than anything, and I can tell how much time you spent in Mina's empire, man. You can tell why he's kept you there.
Thank you.
The pork is over seasoned. Really, really salty.
The chef with the 5-star dish in the first round of the Flavortown food fight will go to... Congratulations, Chef Saba.
Oh my
Well
God.
done. The chef with the 3-star dish that will be their final shift is Chef Josh. Chef Saba, now you get to make the decision for this final round. Where would you like to cook?
I think that the sandwich shop is gonna play into the crunch.
So Knuckle sandwiches it is.
Welcome, chefs, to Knuckle Sandwiches. Today we have on our menu a stacked sandwich. If you want to make some extra money on that paycheck, we have 3 upsell opportunities for you.
Okay.
We've got peanut butter for a $2,000 bonus.
Got it.
Peanut butter can be tricky. It's fatty, it's nutty, it's very prominent flavor.
Anchovy paste for a $3,000 bonus.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Anchovy paste. Ooh, a super salty paste that could totally destroy the dish.
And pineapple for a $5,000 bonus.
Total of $10,000 bonus could be making it to your paycheck. But remember, you gotta win to collect the paycheck.
Saba, what's the game plan?
Oh man, I'm just making it up as I go along here. I'm gonna do some crispy bacon.
To execute a quick dish with crunch, ding, 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 bacon. All right, as soon as I made that decision, a play on a BLT came into my head.
Okay,
Mine is an open-faced ribeye, Sammy.
so this is kind of a fun play on a BLT. Instead of tomato, we have grilled pineapple. We, of course, have the bacon. I got the crispy Brussels sprouts in there to replace the lettuce.
Okay, I can smell those Brussels.
Yeah, and then I have a goat cheese spread, which has some heat. It has the anchovies, and it has the peanut butter.
Wow, there's a lot going on here.
Thank you.
So I didn't think that whipped goat cheese was going to work with the anchovy paste and the peanut butter. To me, it's delicious.
Thank
it's fine.
you.
I can tell being Mediterranean.
Do a lot of whipped feta.
Right.
Yeah.
So that works. I need more of it though. Then it would have been perfect because every single piece works on its own. You got those nice little crispy edges of the bacon.
Yeah.
The Brussels sprouts even weird, and I like it.
I think that you're onto something really great. The flavors are all here, but this sandwich needs a little bit more self-restraint, a little bit more polish, and like the bread overpowers everything, and it's so thick that you have to work through the bread, and then it comes together.
Yeah.
Right.
I wanted to give you something that you can play with.
Okay.
It's ribeye, it's marinated. The sauce contains anchovy paste, pineapple, peanut butter, and jalapeno.
Wow, you went big. You went all 3.
Yeah.
I love it.
Definitely have that crunch factor.
Ribeye, open-faced sandwich. Fantastic choice.
And the amount of pineapples on there were great. And then when you cut into it, it's soft and it's crunchy. The steak is beautifully cooked. However, it is lacking seasoning.
Okay.
Peanut butter. I love this sauce, except for because you did that and then you also did the peanut butter and the pineapple in the tufts. That was the dominant flavor.
Okay.
The chef who prepared the 5-star dish is, congratulations, Chef Saba. Well done. Well done, Chef. Congratulations. Chef Saba, it was great to watch you cook. You have a very effervescent personality.
Thank you.
It showed in the food that you made. On top of that, you're the first chef in Flavortown history to win $20,000. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
And on top of it all, you get to return next time as our reigning Triple F champ.